Welcome ladies and gentlemen to another unboxing video. This time we got the Seenda Bluetooth keyboard with up to 4 channels, so I guess they want to say I can connect up to 4 devices to this keyboard. The description says it's an ultra slim rechargeable keyboard which can last up to 2 months with one charge, of course depending on your daily usage. My question is, what kind of keyboard are you using right now? What's your main driver? Please leave me your answer in the comments below. I'm really interested into that. The Seenda wireless keyboard got a wide compatibility list reaching out from a lot of different Apple devices like the iPad Pro, Air, iPad Mini, iPhone X8, 7, 6S, and so up onto Windows, iOS, and Android. It seems like you can type with this keyboard on everything. The description says that the front is made out of an aluminium alloy with an ABS bag. It got scissor switches with soft keys and some multimedia hotkeys on the F keys, which you can access via the function keys. Seenda provides a lifetime warranty and a 60-day money-back guarantee, so that's pretty cool if you want to try it out for a little bit longer. So Seenda writes on their own homepage that the company itself was founded in 2008 by a group of people with industrial and engineering backgrounds. They believe in design and share the same vision that product design should be intuitive in the best quality as possible. Every Seenda product is calibrated to its standard, and this is what it makes unique. The main products are wireless keyboards, mouse, USB hub, small handheld inkjet printer, and some electronic accessories. So it's a computer, mobile accessories producer and reseller company. They offer some OEM service and hire between 50 to 100 people on more than 10 production lines with a research development division of 30 to 40 people. The total annual revenue is between 10 to 15 million dollars, mainly from North America with 70%, 7% from the domestic market and 7% from Eastern Europe. The rest is split up all over the world. So we got a small or medium-sized company here with a great intention to produce high-quality accessories for computer and mobile devices. We'll see if they can keep their promises up by checking out this keyboard here. So here it is, the Seenda wireless keyboard. The model is IWG601, compact and comfortable, designed especially for the minimalistic wire-free desktop. It comes in a pretty simple box, and their main selling points are of course here written out on this box. Nothing fancy about it. Gonna turn it around. So it comes in different languages. We got here some English, then German, and clever sounds feel. I don't think this is French. I think it's more some Hispanic language. So let's get this puppy open up. So, okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So, at first we've got here the Seenda product tester program. You're invited to extend the warranty, member events, VIP service. Scan the code and become a member and gain access to member exclusive program details, subscribe, blah blah blah. So just typical extended warranty by subscription. Then we've got a manual in German written down. Even the full other packaging is in English, and I bought it on the German Amazon marketplace. So what's important about this thing here? So we've got inside the weight of the keyboard with 440 grams, Bluetooth 3, and battery with 330 milliamp hours. Yeah, you can charge it with normal 5 volts, and the standby time are 8,300 hours or 345 years. Then they got some descriptions and of course how to connect different devices via the Bluetooth keys, like typical keyboard where you just press long on the Bluetooth key, it starts blinking, and then you can pair it with your mobile device. So let's get into it. Here we got the charging cable, It is now USB-C, it's micro USB charging cable, so just normal USB to micro USB. Yeah, that's it. And here we got the puppy. There we go. Maybe the zoom will focus. And this is the keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the keyboard, ladies and gentlemen. What we are seeing here are the scissors switches. The front is made, like I said, from aluminum alloy. On the back side, we've got black ABS with some rubber foots. So no element to lift the keyboard up or adjust any height of it. It's pretty flat. Got no palm rest or anything like that. And the switches, yeah, like the typical scissor switches, are pressed quite evenly. The letters are not exactly centered, I guess. They're slight off from the center, so some minus points for all the perfectionists out there, or for all nerds that want to have everything centered. So ladies and gentlemen, let's connect the keyboard with my phone. First we're gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna pair it different to the normal thing. Maybe I'm gonna get a zoom in here. Yeah, now it's sharp. Different to normally, you just press one key very long and it's connecting, or it's in pairing mode. We need to press the function key and the key we want to assign the device to. So we're just gonna pop up just the info screen here, and let's see if we can type. Yeah, sure, it's going on. And hello, this is a test. So after typing some words, I realized that there is a little bit deck flex. That means when I'm typing with my heavy ogre hands, the whole thing is moving up and down a little bit. It's quite irritating, and I hope they can make a version where the whole keyboard is made out of alloy, or they adjust their cast and add some mechanical holders inside, so the front doesn't bend in that much. But overall, the first impression is quite good. I'm going to type a little bit on it, gonna review it, and then yeah, I'm gonna make another video after reviewing it for 2, 3 or 4 weeks. So to wrap it up, guys, we've got the Seenda Bluetooth keyboard with 4 channels here, and alloy front and back ABS cover. There are some negative points about it, like the deck flex and that the whole keyboard is a little bit bending down. There's no adjustable foot, but for the price range of 26 euro, I bought it for that money. It's quite a good keyboard. At the first impression, I'm going to review it and of course make another video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and leave me a comment what do you want to see next. And until then, good data.